right up early. 7 a.m. Well, not all that early. Getting on the C-Day itinerary. Should be fun. Celebration's crazy, yo. You get the big window. Alright, get a little coffee. Elevators are kind of crazy. They're clear doors so you can see every floor. I like it, so I'm scared. Alright, good morning from somewhere near Cuba. See land over there. We're at our first sea day. Just got on yesterday. Looks like there's another boat in our wake. I'll show you that in a bit. Doing Bolt today. That's that roller coaster right there. And then probably sea day brunch, tea time, and probably just some chilling, maybe some trivias, get in the pool a little bit. Should be a great day. Got the mini golf, ultimate playground, water park behind there. Beautiful morning. Here's the water park. They want to try the orange slide because it has a drop on it. They haven't done it yet. And the yellow and blue slides are both pretty good, I've heard. So maybe I'll try those today. Good morning. Carnival celebration. The ship way back there, you might not be able to see it. So today we're going on Bolt. This is the cart, so you can kind of check it out. Two-person kind of scooter style coaster. Goes up to 40 miles per hour. Gotta be under 300 pounds, so let's see if I suffice. Green light. Perfect. Got the sport court. Not open yet. Basketball, soccer. The ropes course. Theater deck's pretty quiet in the morning. Here on the 17th floor is a nice bathroom kind of hidden on the LiQWYD deck. Behind the bars. Omelet stations. There's a bunch of buffets. I've been on this ship for almost a day and I haven't seen half of it. It's crazy. I found these beds here on deck 17 that kind of overlook the pool. I'm gonna hang out here for a little while, listen to some music and get caught up on life and do some puzzles. And of course, coffee. Stowaway birdie. Alright, we're doing some Bolt. Alright, getting on Bolt. Roller coaster at sea. Nina, you ready? Dexter, you ready? Nice knowing ya. You excited? everybody who just got off Bolt. What did you guys think?
It was so much fun. Yeah. It's a little windy though, so if you have long hair, make sure to tie it back.
Yeah?
Oh, little windy.
Dexter, what was your favorite part?
I don't know the whole thing. I like the start when it went super fast.
Yeah, that was kind of cool. Do you like being over the ocean too?
Yes.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
Or not? Go. All the birds. Look at that little guy. Little mini golf action this morning.
My name is Sam. I'm part of your fun squad, and I will be your trivia host today. If you haven't already, come on up, grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and we are going to get started.
Now arriving 150 million years ago.
Please be advised, guests are not allowed under any circumstances to bring a dinosaur back on the ship. And I don't intend to start now.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Alright, doing a little C-Day brunch. Order the kids mozzarella sticks because why not? This burger with a hash brown on it normally has an egg, but I don't really do eggs. And Jess got some French toast and some potatoes. C-Day brunch. We got their chocolate cake. The verdict was the French toast is the greasiest thing we've ever seen. So it wasn't very good. Burger was really good. Chaos in the pool. What do you got, Nina?
Strawberry hanging out. Bro, this is underrated. Not until you try.
Dude, what do we have here? Yeah. Here's the piano bar. Pretty nice. Aww. Towely. They call this Serenity. There goes Dexter. He's not dead yet. Is it scary? Again. Nice place to chill out. Hi. Oh yeah. Thank you. Tea time is always a fun little treat. How is it?
That's really good.
We are at tea time. How is it so far?
So good. My favorite thing was this cone. Mine's almost done.
Nina's reflection.
That starts with the letter T. Thomas, great job. Head on back over to the lineup. That's it. Name something the family takes turns using. Cars. Name something you take off the ship with you when going ashore. Your sailor sign card.
normal night tonight.
Pose. Hello. Do it again before it's a line. Do that romantic couple.